Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's tap on the set time and tap on off. Here let's tap on the switcher, and that's all. So now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar, just mark it and confirm it with OK. The same with the time, just tap on this option and choose the time from the clock, confirm it. Here we can change the time zone, so just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it, it will be immediately applied. Here the time format, so we can manually decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So right now we've got the 24-hour one, and after tapping on the switcher, so turning it off, we can set the 12-hour format. So basically this is the whole manual customization. Of course you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers here and tapping on set time automatically, and use either network provided time or GPS provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.